Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we discuss about the tense. Now we use the sentences with these all tenses. Let's start. Present simple tense. I go. Present continuous tense. I am going. Present perfect tense. I have gone. Present perfect continuous tense. I have been going. We use the since or for. Now in the past simple tense. I went. I was. Now present past continuous. I was going. Past perfect. I had gone. Past perfect continuous. I had been going. Then we use since or for. Now the future tense. Future simple tense. I will go. I will be going. I will have gone. I will have been going. Thank you.